Want to use BIGO Live on your PC or laptop? In this video, I will show you how to install and use BIGO Live on your computer using Google Chrome browser. You do not need a complicated setup or an Android emulator for this method. First, open Chrome on your PC or laptop. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Then search for official BIGO Live website and open it. From here, you can access BIGO Live and use the available feature directly through your browser. If you want to quick access BIGO Live, you can also create a desktop shortcut from Chrome. Open the BIGO Live website, click install icon. Then click install. But if you don't have it install button, you can click the three dot menu in the top right corner. Select cast, save and share. And choose create shortcut if the option is available. Then click install. Give the shortcut name and create it. Now you can open BIGO Live from your desktop more easily. This method is simple and lightweight and useful for users who want to access BIGO Live on your PC without installing an emulator. Follow the step carefully. You can start using BIGO Live on your computer in just few minutes. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.